This is the Pocketbook Verse Pro, and we already did a video on the verse, so you might even call this the second verse, you know, like of a song. Anyways, this is a Verse Pro, and this one actually has an eink 1200 screen. This has 300 ppi, it has a smart light, it is waterproof, and it is apparently a lot better than the regular Verse because it is $40 more. Let's crack it open. If you are the first time watcher of the Pocketbook stuff, you might know that, well, they used to have kind of plain brown boxes, and now they really have revamped everything. And if you've already watched our videos, then you'll know all this, but let's pretend you've never seen it before. This is a very thin, flimsy cardstock, but that's where all the design is. This recyclable papier-mâché-esque box is gorgeous. It must be said that packaging plays a point in people's buying decisions. When they go and they see a box like this, you know, they have it in their hands, it does make a difference. This is a very nice kind of stamped out, as I said, papier-mâché-esque feel to it, and you'll have all of your documentation here. Pocketbook is very happy to give you a ton of documentation, and the quick start guide and warranty information is in multiple languages. Tons of languages. How many languages, actually? Let's go to the very start, and we'll see just how many languages. There should be like 20-something languages, right? Oh, it's stuck on that page. Oh, you open it like this. There you go. Yeah, look at that. Tons of languages. This has got to be at least 26, maybe 30 languages there. That's awesome. And, of course, you have this that tells you your life with and without a cover, so make sure you hold on to all this stuff. And, of course, you get a USB-C, but no dongle in here. The Verse was blue, and this one's red. Beautiful. My God, I've said every time we do a recent Pocketbook unboxing, their devices have never looked better than this current line. The way they're chiseled at the bottom, the classy way they put these buttons out of the way. It's not these chunky, gigantic 1997 buttons anymore. And look at that. They're raised, so you always know where they are. You get that feel, you get that kind of knowledge where it's like you don't have to always search. You could be holding it like this and you'll know that having your finger in the middle, that's left and that's right. You can even just teeter-totter between them. This one does have waterproof capabilities, but as you can see, because of those waterproof capabilities, what's missing on the side? The SD card is no longer there. You can have SD cards and still have waterproofing. You just need a little door. And they don't have a door. It's nowhere to be found. And there's no panel here that you rip off like the Viva. You go like that, and then there's a door underneath it, but there isn't. Either way, I think it's nice. It's got Carta HD. It's got IPX8 rating. Let's just turn it on for the first time and show you guys first time boot up of this miraculous unit. So something different between the Verse and the Verse Pro is audiobooks, and we'll get into that in the full review. Other than that, this will be identical in pretty much every single way, except for music player as well. So we'll go over that and the other one because we already kind of covered this in the Pro. It's really the same thing, and I'm gonna go over to settings really quick, do the drop down, go to settings, because this is, in my personal opinion, one of the most interesting things about this new line. Yes, here it is. Key mapping, LED indication, G sensor, gestures, logos. I love this. We're going to cover this in the full review coming up after this video. This is everything that comes in the box with a brand new Pocketbook. Say it with me, Verse Pro. Did you say it? I can't tell. Stay tuned for the full review.